The center rest for the pallets is probably the most time consuming piece to make. I like to dado at the bottom so the clip fits nice and flat, and that allows me to countersink the screws, and you don't have the head of the screws sticking up for the hive body to set on, and it just, with the screw heads there, the hive body doesn't fit flat. This is a nice cleaner finish. I like to make jigs. Jigs save a lot of time for setting up your saw. I make pallets every year, so it's nice to have a jig. That's what it takes to set the saw up to make these cuts. I have spacers here for each end, so that I make one pass with this spacer. I'll do all 100 pieces. I have 50 pallets to make, so there's 2 center rests per pallet. Once I make that single pass, I'll add the other spacer, and then there's 3 passes. So I'll start the saw up and show you that process. If you got the volume up, turn it down. Next, I drill the holes. They're pilot holes. I put the screws down through so I'd never hit that hole. I need to drill pilot holes, plus it prevents splitting up the ends. So I'll pause the camera, take you over to the drill press, show you that. Here at the drill press, I'm just going to drill these pilot holes. At the end here, more than likely that would split with a screw, so it's nice to have that pilot hole. That's it, 99 more to go.